Hi and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today I'm making tabbouleh with a twist. Tabbouleh is a lovely, refreshing salad originated in the Levant area, that's Lebanon and Syria, but loved and appreciated around the world. Starting with fine crushed bulgur wheat, pronounced burghel in Arabic, it's best to give it a wash to clean out any dust or unwanted particles. Do that until the water is clear, then drain it. To cook the bulgur, pour boiling water over them until they are fully covered, then cover the bowl to keep the steam trapped and set aside. It'll only take about 5 minutes to cook. Then we chop our cucumbers into small cubes and throw them in the mixing bowl. This was about 1 cup, but measure by eye. And next I'm adding in chopped red onions, cut smaller than the cucumbers and less of an amount than them. After that, I'm adding in the tomatoes, and I like to remove the watery, seedy part and just keep the chunky, meaty parts. Then we're adding in our lettuce, and not everyone adds lettuce to their tabbouleh, but I like to have them in there. Then we'll need a heap of finely chopped parsley, about double or triple the amount of the other vegetables that we used already. This is a key ingredient and it is not replaceable. Mix everything up and see if you want to add more, if anything. Back to the bulgur, you'll see that it has softened and cooked through. You can give it a taste test to check. It should be soft. Then drain it from excess water, and while it is still draining, let's start with the sauce. You'll need a 1/4 cup of pomegranate molasses, or even a bit more if you like it more sour. Add in an equal part of good quality olive oil, some salt and black pepper to taste, and I'm adding in water to dilute and cut down the oiliness while also increasing the amount of salad dressing that I have. Also add in a splash of lemon juice too. I forgot to film that part. Mix in the burghel with the salad. Make sure you break the clumps apart for everything to be spread equally. Now you could end it here and you will have a wonderful classic tabbouleh salad, but I like to mix in canned grape leaves. I found that grape leaves not only look nice with the tabbouleh, their flavor is enhanced when mixed with the salad, and it becomes more of a filling and denser meal. And that is why I call this my Tabbouleh Supreme Salad. It looks good, it tastes good, and it fills you up. Decorate with some pomegranate seeds and serve up. And that's it. Hope you give it a try, and as usual, thanks for watching Happy Kitty Kitchen. Bye!